Almost any font can look great with an outline. Bold fonts are the most popular for this effect, but cursive ones can look hot too. Here's how the outline looks on different MockoFun fonts. Write your favorite font in the comments. First, after you log in, head over to the text button in the menu on the left side. For this tutorial, I'm selecting the simple text preset. Perfect, because we want to build our outline effect from scratch. Now, if I double click on the text element here on the canvas, I can type in my own text. Next, I'm going to make the font size bigger so we can see what we're doing. And of course, let's change the font. One really cool thing about MockoFun is that it gives you access to over 1000 fonts, so you have tons of creative options. For this example, I'll choose a font called Paytone 1. It has nice, thick letters, which makes it absolutely perfect for creating an outline effect. Now just click and drag the text to position it on the canvas. If you hold down the Shift key while dragging, the text will automatically snap to the horizontal and vertical center, super handy when you want everything perfectly aligned. Now let's create the outline effect. First, open the color picker and make the text fully transparent. Next, go to the stroke settings and increase the thickness. And just like that, we have our outline. You can choose any stroke color you like, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it classic and go with black. You can tweak a few more stroke settings too, like making the corners rounded, sharp, or perfectly squared. You can also choose whether the stroke sits over the text or behind it. Right now the text is transparent, so don't worry. We'll actually see what that does in a moment. And here's a fun one. You can create dashed or dotted outlines. Just type comma-separated numbers for the dash length and the gap length. But for now, let's turn off the dashed outline and keep things simple. Another cool feature is that you can add multiple outlines to the same text, each with its own color. So yes, you can absolutely go wild with this. We'll dive into that a bit later in the video. So now we've got our basic outline text effect. We've covered the font, size, color, and stroke settings. When it comes to outline fonts, MockoFun matches Photoshop, except it's completely free. Next, let's build on this and see how we can take the effect to the next level. We can actually turn this into a pretty cool 3D text effect, and it's super easy. Set the text color to white, make the outline thicker, then jump into shadow settings. Max out the opacity and push the shadow downward. This effect is super simple, but looks really cool. It's perfect for things like t-shirt designs, posters, social posts, you name it. You can quickly swap the words and pump out multiple designs in seconds. Watch this. Just change the text color to black and the stroke color to white. You instantly get a completely different outline text effect. Let's build a brand new effect from scratch. First, delete this text. Then go to the text menu and choose the simple single line text preset again. Now move the text to the center. Double-click the text and change it to outline. This time, let's go for a cursive look. Make the font size bigger and reposition the text in the center of the frame. Remember, you can hold down the Shift key while moving the text to snap to the center. We'll use the font 𝐼𝐸. It has that nice handwritten feel. Change the text color to a clean blue and set the stroke color to white. Make sure the stroke is painted behind the text. Then add one more stroke and this time set it to blue. The text looks a bit too sharp around the edges. And with a cursive font, that's not the best look. So let's switch the outline corners to rounded corners and instantly it feels smoother and much more natural. Let's add a shadow again. But this time, let's give it a nice blue vibe. Now bump up the vertical offset so the shadow drops downward, like it finally decided to stop floating around. And just like that, you get the super cool outline text effect. Stacked text is a popular effect combining solid and outline fonts. In MockoFun, you can create it instantly by editing this free template. Check out the link in the description. Now let's clear the stage for the next effect. I'm switching to a thin handwritten font called Coming Soon. First, let's turn the text yellow. I like this shade, but it's a bit hard to read. No worries, we can fix that by adjusting the stroke width and moving the stroke behind the text. Next, change the outline to a darker orange. Now for some fun, let's add a few more strokes in different colors to create a rainbow outline effect. Let's start with a bright green outline. The best part, MockoFun makes it super easy to stack multiple outlines. Just hit Add Extra Stroke. This settings window is blocking our view. No problem, just dock it to the right. Looks like our text is a little wonky. Some fonts do this because of tiny artifacts. Quick fix, turn on rounded corners, and there we go, smooth and perfect. And just like that, your text goes from plain to colorful and eye-catching. The outline text effect works great on curved text too. Start with a circle logo image. Then pick one of the curved text presets. Resize and position the circle text around the logo. Double-click to edit the text. Bold fonts work great for this effect. Choose the font that you like and adjust the font size. Head over to spacing settings if the text is overlapping. Now we create a simple outline effect setting the text color to white and stroke color to black. Switch on the paint behind option. To add slight 3D effect to the text, go to Shadow, set the opacity to max, leave the color black, and adjust the horizontal and vertical offset. Play with MockoFun's wide array of outline options and fonts to create cool round logos, badges, rubber stamp designs. When your outline text is ready, go to Download and pick JPEG or PNG to save the design. If you only want the PNG text, then select it and hit the Quick Download button. This Quick Download button gives you the selected PNG text with transparent background. Word, PowerPoint, Google Docs, and Slides don't give you advanced outline text, but with MockoFun, you can create it, download it, and use it in your documents and presentations. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check it out using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.